Hi there, students. Tang. A tang. A countable noun. Tangy. An adjective. Okay, if something is tangy, it's got a tangy flavour. It's pleasant, but it's strong and it's sharp. Tangy, particularly an acid lemony flavour. Or perhaps the tang of the sea air. So if something has a tang, it has a strong, sharp taste or a strong, sharp smell. Yeah, I like food that has a tang of garlic and ginger. Yeah, okay, so a tang, it's a strong flavour, a strong smell. Yeah. And then you can go from there to a characteristic quality. So his English was very good, but the way he spoke had a tang of French to it. It had this feel, this a touch of it. Okay, so a tangy, a strong piquant flavour, yeah, a tangy salad, a tangy smell. Okay, so tang, a sharp, distinctive flavour, yeah. Something could have, you could use this metaphorically. There was a tang of spring in the air. Or some good adjectives could add tang to your writing. Yeah. Tang, a faint suggestion of. So there was a tang of irony in what he had said. Okay, so a tang of something. Now, we also have another couple of meanings for tang as well. If you have a knife or a sword, there's a metal bit that goes into the handle that you hold, and that bit is called the tang. Okay, you could also use this word tang to talk about a Chinese dynasty from the year 6 to 900 as well. Okay, so let's go back to the beginning. A tang, a sharp smell, a sharp flavour. It's spicy, it's tangy, it's piquant, it's got some bite to it. A tangy lemon flavour, a tangy orange flavour, particularly the tang of citrus. It's got this citric tang to it, which made it taste really delicious. Yeah, it's got this distinctive quality. Yeah, there was a tang of old-fashioned feeling to what we were doing. So a tang of sea air, smell, the tang of burning wood, nice smell. A tang of garlic and ginger in the food, or a tang of cloves in your apple pie. Or if you have the blade of a knife, it's got a bit that sticks out, this bit here, where you put the handle, that's the tang. And then the Tang dynasty as well. Okay, so tang, a tart, sharp, spicy quality. Yeah, particularly the tang of lemon, the tang of citrus, the tang of lime. Yeah, so ceviche always has this tang of citrus to it, this tang of lime, which gives it this nice savoury flavour. Yeah, it's a very nice flavour within your mouth. Okay, so tang, formality, a tang of this. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use informally, use semi-formal conversation, I think semi-formal writing, but not in something very formal. And then as to origin, it probably comes from a Middle English word tong, which are tongs or a fang, a tooth. Yeah, which comes from Old Norse tangy, a pointed metal tooth. Metal tool, sorry. So it's got like this piercing bit, this sharpness to it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Tang Tangy.